Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is changing these engine mounts in my supercharged E36, you know. Got so much power, it rips the engine mounts in half. What we're gonna do, go to your toolbox and realize it's a mess. But it's alright, we don't need a clean toolbox. So then you're gonna, I think it's a 17 or 16. Then you're gonna get all your extensions with a swivel. And then, yeah, it's a 17. And you're gonna grab your ratchet. Go over on the other side, try and find it through all this mess. So you got one kinda down there. And then same on the other side, obviously, but it's kinda hard to see with all this supercharger stuff in the way. And before you go taking out the engine mounts, you wanna make sure you got your engine supported, either with one of these bad boys, or the jack on the oil pan with a 2x4 on the bottom to spread the weight out, so you don't crack your oil pan. But with these cars, they got a different oil pan, they're not steel, and they won't dent as easy or crack. I mean, they'll crack more on this than the steel, and the steel will dent more than these ones. But these will be fine. Put a jack under there, jack it up with a piece of wood, spread the weight out first, and then, I don't know, you might have to loosen up your transition mounts just to get it up high. I don't know. That should be good. Alright, now we are under the car, as you can tell. Now, I don't have the best lens, so I can't really zoom out or put a fisheye on this thing, but this is the best we're going to get. So you got the motor mount right there. You got another 17mm under there. And the tricky part with this is that the subframe kind of gets in the way, so you kind of need to put the socket in there first and then put the extension. Because, I don't know, I forget. Because I said so. Oh, because on the stock E36 control arms, there's holes. There's like a couple holes right here. But I don't have that because I have that SLR angle kit. I don't recommend getting it unless you want to replace your inner tie rods every event. So see how that kind of got stuck there? That's what I mean. So that's all loose. Take this washer out, or let it fall out, and then your motor mount's free. And I'll probably have to jack this thing up some more, but oh look, I don't have to because it's snapped in half. Look at that. See that? That was a great ending to my day. But you see how it doesn't have metal going through, it just has metal cup, and a rubber bushing in between. You know, that's what you get for comfort. Because I wanted more comfort than vibration. Because the other mounts I got are going to vibrate a lot, but I won't have to deal with this. It's that nice pink guy up there. Shout out SLR and Condor. Pushing, really supporting the build. Wouldn't be able to do without them, you know? This is where a nice friend like Justin would come in handy. You'd be like, oh, Justin, crank the engine up some more, but, you know, he doesn't like to come over anymore. Because my garage is too small. Solid mount, you know what I mean? Really cool design. But they made a new version, you know, of course, after that one, where it has a cradle, and it won't separate like that. So I'm going to get the new mount. New mount acquired, ready to go. Take these nuts off. Take those nuts off. So this top, hold on, this top big washer is staying, right? That stays on there. Other ones, you got the bottom dimple, goes through the subframe. Slowly trying to line up the other side too. And there you go. You've just installed solid mount ender mounts in your E36 when your air filter falls on the ground because you jacked it up too much. But that's cool. Look at all the dirt on this. Alright, stay tuned for the transmission mounts tomorrow.
What's going on?
So, I went off track at Staggered and ripped my bumper off, and then I drove over my bumper. So I'm trying to fix it. Fiberglass it back together. Still a little bit. So I don't want to buy a new one. It shouldn't be too bad, you know? Just using this aluminum tape on the outside to hold it in place. And the resin doesn't really stick to this tape, so it peels off easier, I guess. That's what they say. You tell him about your bee. He's your friend.
I made a bee friend. Gave him some honey. Look at that. He lets me pet him too. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm not even recording it.
Oh, we gotta go to Lowe's, get some fiberglass resin. Got the stuff. That's what we're missing.
What is it? You keep waving it around. You gotta show it.
Fiberglass cloth. You're gonna get ran over. Looking great now. Just get a couple pieces, stack it up.
Nice. How many times have you had to fix your bumper?
A couple.
Just a few.
Couple few times.
So you're a pro.
Oh yeah. That's what they call me. What do you need?
A new spark plug.
What are you doing right now?
I'm changing my spark plugs. How's it going under there?
Good. Now we're swapping out these transmission mounts for solid ones because they keep breaking. It'll be all back together, but I lost one of the trim pieces.
At Grid Life, right?
No.
Oh.
Actually.
Oh, that was the rear bumper. You lost it at Grid Life.
Missing two of them. Oh well.
It's okay.
Battery's dead in the car.